Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we'll be making the Carajillo, an equal parts coffee cocktail that's almost more of a mixed drink since there's only 2 ingredients, and has this warm orange color when shaken. You can also choose to layer the coffee on top for a different aesthetic. First things first, glassware, gather a coupe, fill it with ice, and set it to the side. For ingredients, the star of the show is Licor 43. It's an aromatic spirit that bursts with citrus, vanilla, floral, and botanical notes. We'll also need coffee. The recipe normally calls for freshly brewed espresso, but I've opted for cold brew for convenience. Gather your ingredients, hot or otherwise, and let's get to it. Starting off, grab your bar mat, shaker tin, and go-to jigger, preferably one with a 1.5 ounce pour. Start by measuring 1.5 ounces of coffee. Add it to your tin. Then measure 1.5 ounces of Licor 43. Add it to your tin. Add a scoop of ice, and then shake aggressively for 15 seconds to get it as frothy and airy as possible. Bring out your chilled coupe, grab a fine mesh strainer, and then carefully double strain the cocktail into your coupe, which initially has this yellow gold color that gradually turns into the sunrise burnt orange. Then for an optional garnish, add 3 coffee beans to the middle like an espresso martini. For taste, it's a delicious, sweet, nutty, almost hazelnut flavor, but it also has bright citrus notes with a rich coffee finish. A flavorful, lower ABV alternative to the espresso martini that I think anyone would enjoy. Thanks everyone for watching. Do you have a favorite coffee-based cocktail? Let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, hit that like button, press subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.